If you can't fly, you're not a bird. The first thing that comes into your psyche isn't, oh, wings, oh, flippers. The first thing that comes to your mind when you think of a bird is flight. Birds are known for flight. I don't care what it says in some scientific book. I don't care what it says in a flipping biology, GCSE, PSAT book. This is I'm talking facts. I'm not opinion, this is facts. Okay, penguins, you have for so long been lying. You've been telling lies that, oh my gosh, we are birds. I said, wait a minute. All this says, no, you're not. You can't be called a bird because you're insulting eagles, insulting hawks, you're insulting pigeons, you're insulting flipping parrots. So even a parrot can flipping fly and it can talk as well. Once you figure out how to fly, come back to me and talk to HH. Okay? This is my message to all penguins out there. To all you penguins out there. Okay? Shout out to see, you're only relevant because of Batman. Figure out how to fly. It's easy as that. Figure out how to fly. Fly into the air like this, flap those flipping wings. Then I'll call you a bird. Until then, you're penguins. I don't know what you fall under, something the Erectus Maximus or so forth, but because you can't fly, you are not birds. Become a Have Hope Talks member and gain access to exclusive videos and also the chance to watch films, anime, or different videos with your boy HH exclusively. Just click below on the join button to join in and become a Have Hope Talks member to gain access to these perks. Just click on the community icon over here to view the new members only posts just for you.